This is the basement. You got a laundry facility down here, and you got GFI plugs and laundry tub. You got good water pressure down here. You do have galvanized plumbing though, like I mentioned in the other video. Galvanized plumbing. Right now you got a gas hookup for a dryer, but this dryer is electric, and I ran it through a cycle. And I ran this washing machine through a short cycle. And the water's all out, so it looks like it completed its cycle. It was a little loud on the spin cycle. So I just mentioned that to you. So that when they're loud like that, it means, you know, like maybe the bearings could be going out or something. Here's the bathroom in the basement. Oh, my battery light's flashing. I hope I can complete this. So you got good water pressure in here, but again, you got some galvanized plumbing with some rusty spots showing, so this plumbing has to eventually be replaced. You got a nice block foundation. It looks like it might have been leaking in some spots, but they busted up the floor and put in a French drain here. And they also, I don't know if you can see it in this video, but they busted up and redid the sewer lines under the basement floor too. So that's good. They put in a new PVC. Let me show you in here. Back in the bathroom. They put a new stack here. There's what ties into the old cast iron. That's called a rubber boot or Fernco. And it goes down into the floor. So down under the floor is all new pipe, new waste line. You can see it goes over here. It's right here. There's another clean out. Hot water heater, and it'll be in your report. I don't remember the dates on these. I'll put it in your report, but they're both working, furnace and hot water heater. I look at the date on there and I put it in your written report. There'll be a picture too. That furnace filter is a little small. It got sucked in. You need one that's a little bit taller so it sticks up out of that slot right there so it won't fall out. You got a little root cellar here, whatever you want to call it, under the porch. This is under the front porch. That's my sewer camera there. Updated electric. You got one double tap in there in the lower left corner. Other than that, it looks good. So this is my sewer camera, and this is where I got in at. So each one of these pieces of tape is 10 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got about 45 feet into there, which is not, I know it's not to the sewer main. There's the screen. I don't know how well you can see that. But most of the pipe, well, it's all new up to this point, you know. And then I hit the spot here and the water gets real deep. And I can't see how deep it is there. That pipe's about half full of water, which it's not supposed to have any standing water in it. It's supposed to drain out completely. And then I hit that. And it turns black. And then I can't push it any farther. And I push it as hard as I dare because I can actually fold my camera up in there. I've had that happen. I got it stuck so the camera gets folded over inside the pipe like that, and then you can't get it out. If I push too hard, it'll go like that, and then you're stuck. And I don't want to do that again. So, but that pipe up to that point looks really good. It's all new, so I don't know what's going on in there, but I know I measured it for you. And you're about halfway between the sidewalk and the front porch. That's as far as I got. So I know I'm not to the sewer main yet. Your main could even be on the other side of the street. There's a little bit of old pipe. See, there's some clay pipe there. That orange looking pipe is clay. So you got a little bit of clay and you got a lot of new PVC too. So they did some repairs here, but they did not replace the whole thing, is the short story. I think that's where... That's old pipe there too. If this video suddenly stops, it's because the battery went dead. This is the last item that I was going to videotape. So, you can see it looks good. That's not new pipe there. I'll tell you when we get to new pipe. Right there is where the new pipe starts. So probably at about 25 feet. So we're probably to the front wall. They probably replaced that front wall over there, I'm guessing. So, and then the rest is the old clay lines, the original clay line. So that's it. Went out as far as I could, hit a point and couldn't go any farther, so I'm not sure what's going on past that, unfortunately. So that's it.